Eklavya JEE Main Test Series 2026.
JEE Main की problem सब कुछ पढ़ना नहीं होती.
இந்த வாட்டி தயவு செஞ்சு இதை மிஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க.
is going to give you the smartest way to crack JEE Mains 2026.
మీ ముందుకు వచ్చేసింది JEE Eklavya Test Series.
%93% of the students have the same problem. They just don't score well in the mock test. And on top of that, parents keep taunting. You probably didn't study properly. That's why your marks are low. But if you ask me the real reason, the chances are you won't even know what you have done wrong. And let me tell you, when a question feels completely new, it means the issue is not the knowledge actually, but the practice and the concept application. And the truth is, in JEE Mains, the problem is not studying everything. The problem is studying the right thing and the right way and at the right time. That's exactly what mock tests are for, and that is what you should do. But you know what the irony is? Instead of boosting confidence, most of the tests actually are going to lower it. So it's time for a change, and I am bringing that change. Just imagine a test series whose prime objective is to increase your confidence and guarantee your selection in JEE Mains. Now, if you check out most of the test series, they are above the JEE Mains level or completely random questions. And what's the result of it? Sometimes too much overconfidence, sometimes a lot of panic. And to fix this, I have created a deeply researched solution. Did you know in JEE 2025, from the chapter of 3 dimensions, the shortest distance between points, the question appeared on the January 22nd shift 1 and again in the evening shift and 23rd Jan both shifts, then on 24th Jan, 28th and 29th in every single shift. So, if a student had prepared the topic, the question was a guaranteed score. And the same thing happened in 2024 too. And not just this, topics like product of vectors, point on a straight line, area under the curve, and so much more. They have appeared in every shift for the past 3 years. And I have a complete list of such repeated topics, not just in maths, but also in physics and chemistry. Now just imagine, if you just practice only from these topics, tell me one thing, won't your selection be guaranteed? That's exactly what I have done with the JEE Eklavya Mains Test Series for 2026. Introducing the Eklavya JEE Mains Test Series for 2026. With my team, I have analyzed the past 20 years worth of papers, and from the 90 chapters, we have just identified 52 high weightage topics. And that's how we built the highly focused and the highly effective test series. Now, you don't need to study everything. You just need to study what actually matters in the examination. From October to November, you will be giving 93 topic-wise tests, and they are not equally divided because of the weightage. You will have 25 maths, 36 physics, and 32 chemistry. And each test is just 1 hour with 25 questions, just like your JEE Mains pattern. And you will be mastering every single topic. In just 2 months, you will solve over 2,300 plus questions. And from December, you will start with the part syllabus test series and the full syllabus style, covering all the concepts which are most likely to appear in the examination. And what are you going to do in January? Yes, you're going to start with a full length mock test series, which is going to be unpredictable, tough, and it will have intense pressure, just like you would feel in the examination hall. And this is what is going to train you to handle the examination pressure and manage time effectively. And by the time you would have solved more than 5,000 questions, it's unbeatable, guys, what is there in stock for all of you. Now let's talk about the launch price. So typically, if you see in the market, these kind of test series are around 5,000 or even more. But then I realized that many of my kids won't be able to afford such a test series. And we always wanted to give you quality at affordability. So, my dear warriors, we are going to launch this test series for just 999 rupees. Yes, less than 1,000 rupees. And guess what? This offer is valid right now only till 30th of September. After that, the prices are going to shoot up. So you better hurry up.